Hi children, good morning Nana. Welcome to maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home Nana. Okay, stay home, stay safe Nana. Don't go outside. Okay. Are you writing regularly the classwork children? Write neatly without mistakes ma. Okay. So you have to watch the video and continue the classwork. Okay ma. In previous class I gave that two methods Nana. Methods of multiplication exercise 3C. So we completed that exercise 3C Nana, and we have learned in the previous class how to do the multiplication in two methods. One is the column method, which is the standard method for the multiplication, and the second one is the lattice method. Did you practice it all of you? Okay, so you have to practice daily Nana, then only it can be understand easily how to do the multiplication in lattice method. Okay, column method you know, but lattice method if you practice well then it becomes very easy to you. Okay children, yes, once again I have explained that lattice method Nana, after we will go to the next concept. Okay, see here 132 into 212. How to do this in the lattice method? Here the multiplicand has 3 digits, so you have to make the 3 columns, and multiplier has 3 digits, you have to make the 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows, 3 columns. So note down the multiplicand upside, multiplier down. Now you draw the line diagonally. Okay, now you multiply by 2 first. 2 2s are 4. 4 comes here, there is no number, so you will keep 0 4. 2 3s are 6, 0 6. 2 1s are 2. Finish. Next you multiply by tens place digit Nana. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. Next 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now you add the numbers, see ma, in diagonally, here only one number, that is 4. Okay, we will write 4 here. Here 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 2, 0. So left side 0 has no value. So we will write that, start from this side, the product is 27984. That means 27,984. So it is very easy method Nana. Just you have to make the columns and rows. After that you draw the diagonally the number lines. After you multiply, 2 2s are 4. One digit comes, you write down itself, and here we will keep 0. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2. Next again 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now you add the numbers in rectangular. See, these are the rectangular boxes now ma. Okay, this cross came. Okay ma, 4, 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 3 plus 2. Add these 3 numbers. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 1, 7, and 2. Here 0. So left side 0 has no value. So you write the answer from this, 27984. So 27,984. So my dear children, you have to practice the multiplications in rough notes Nana daily. Then it becomes very easy to you. Okay ma? Is it clear to you? Okay. So now all of you open your maths classworks. Today the concept is word problems on multiplication and estimation of products. Okay ma? Yes. Open your maths classwork all of you and keep side heading word problems on multiplication. Word problems on multiplication. Word problems on multiplication. Note down in your classwork neatly. So So when you will do the multiplication, yes, the cost of, that means the value of one item is given, and if they are asking to find the more, so that means suppose if cost of one flower is 10 rupees, what is the cost of 10 flowers? As in these situations you have to do the multiplication. So when the value of one item is given and we have to find the value of more items, then we can do the multiplication. Okay ma? Value of one item is given and we have to find the number of, that means more values, then we can do the multiplication. Okay ma? Yes, write that one. When the value of one item is given, when the value of one item is given and we have to find the value of more items, value of more items, we know that the value increases. In such cases, value increase. In such cases, we multiply to find that value. Okay ma? So when the value of one item is given and we have to find the value of more items, in such cases the answer increase nana. That means we know that we should do the multiplication. Okay ma? So one item is given and find out that more items, then we can do the multiplication. Keep this in your mind. Okay, for example, they are given, if the cost of a book is 32 rupees, what will be the cost of 30 such books? So cost of, example they are given nana, don't write in your classwork, just see cost of one book. How much? 32 rupees. The cost of one book is 32 and we have to find the cost of 30 books. Here one book is given and we have to find 30 books. Okay, more items. Then in such cases we do this multiplication, 32 into 30. So how do we multiply nana? Already I explained to you. If a number is multiplied by the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000, first you multiply by the given numbers, later we add the 0 to the right side of the product. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and we will keep 0. So answer 960 rupees. Okay, is it clear to you nana? So cost of one book equal to 32 rupees. Cost of 30 books equal to 32 into 30. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 960. Okay. Note down in your classwork up to here nana, and this is example sum. It's already given in your textbook. Okay. So note down up to here in your classwork. Okay, next, estimation of products. Estimation of products. Write down in your classwork, estimation of products. See children, estimation means giving approximate value, Nana. So estimation is an approximate calculation of quantity or value. Estimation of some differences and the products of two or more given numbers help in quick calculation. Quick calculation, Nana. Mental verification of calculations can also be done with the help of estimation. Yes. So to estimate the number, round it off is closest to 10, 100 or 1000. So if the digit in the ones place is less than 5, then it rounded it up off to the multiple of 10 less than number to be estimated. If the digit in the ones place position is 5 or greater than 5, then round off the number to the multiple of 10 just to greater than the number to be estimated. See children, if suppose let us take 189 rupees. This is 189. This is round off this number to the nearest 100. So simply we can write as 200. Why, Nana? Here the tens place already explained in the before also. 8 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the hundreds place and these places becomes zeros. So 189 is rounded off to 200. Okay. Now we will write the estimation of products there. So to estimate the number, round it off to its closest, 10, 100 or 1000. If the digit in the ones place, ones place is less than 5, then round it off to the multiple of 10, just less than number to be estimated. Okay. So if the digit in ones place is greater than equal to 5 or greater than 5, in such cases, if the digit in ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then round off the number to the multiple of 10 just greater than to that number. So to estimate a number, round it off to its closest to 10, 100 or 1000. If the digit in ones place is less than 5, then round it off to the multiple of 10 just less than the number to be estimated. Okay, Nana? So if the digit in the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then round off the number to the multiple of 10 just greater than that number. That means next multiple of 10 we have to write. Okay, ma, is it clear to you? Note down in your classwork. Now I will give you some problems. Okay. So if you are not complete in time, children, just pause the video and write neatly in your classwork. Okay. And now see ma example. Estimate the product of 56 into 11 and 813 into 87. First solution. A Nana. I will explain A first. So first you have to round off this number. So 56 is rounded. 56 is rounded off. See here, it is greater than 5. So it is rounded this number to the next nearest multiple of 10. So next multiple of 10 means 50. Next multiple is 60. Okay. And 11. 11 is rounded off to 10. Why Nana? Why? Because here the digit in the ones place is less than 5. So we have to round off it to the multiple of 10, just less than the number to be estimated. Okay. Less than, that means 10 only. Okay. Now we multiply 60 into 10. How much? 600. Okay. But actual product, come on, multiply 56 into 11. 11 6 are 11 5 are 55. 556. 55. 616 Nana. 11 6 are 66. 11 5 are 55 plus 6. So it is 616. So which is close to here? 616 is close to 600. So why we use this estimation, Nana? So to do the calculation quickly. So mentally we have to do. So 56 is rounded off 60 and 11 is rounded off to 10. So 60 into 10, 600. So we do the calculation in our mind quickly. Okay. Suppose if you want to do the multiplication actual product, you do this multiplication, no, 11 table 11 6 are 66, 11 5 are 55 plus 6 616. But nearly how much? We have to guess. If you round off, if you learn the rounding of numbers, then we have to guess the answer and we will give the approximate answer. Okay ma? Is it clear to you? Note down in your classwork. Next problem. B. 813 into 87. So first we find that estimation product. 813 is rounded off to. Tell me Nana here. See the hundreds place. 813. So you have to round off this number to the nearest 100. So that you look at the digit in the tens place. Here 1 is less than 5. So it is rounding off to 800. Okay. Next 87. 87 is rounded off to, it's a 2-digit number Nana. So you have to round off this number to the nearest to tens so that you look at the digit in the ones place. What's the ones place digit? 7. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So that this number is rounded off to next to tens, nearest to tens, that is 90. Okay. So 813 into 87 equal to 800. So we take the approximate values here, no? 800 into 90. So how can you multiply these numbers? Yes, 8 9s are 72. So first you multiply the numbers, after you keep zeros. Here 2 zeros, here 1 0. So totally 3 zeros. So the answer is 72,000. Okay ma? So 813 is rounded off to 800 and 87 is rounded off to 90. So therefore 800 into 90 equal to 72,000. But what is the actual product? Actual product. So 813 into 87. So first we multiply by 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 7 1s are 7, 8, 9. 7 8s are 56. Close the ones place and start at the digit in the tens place. 8 3s are 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 8 8s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now add this one. 1, 13. 1 in hand. 1 plus 6, 7, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 in hand, 2 is down. Next 1 plus 1, 2. Sorry, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, plus 1, 2, 10, 8 8s are 64. See Nana, 8 table, 8 3s are 24, 2 in hand, 4 is down, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 1 in hand, 0 is down. 8 8s are 64 plus 1, 65, okay. 65. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 in hand and 1 plus 6 is 7. 70,731. So what is the product? So here 8 3s are 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 8 8s are 64 plus 1, 65. Now add 1, 13. 1 in hand, 3 is down, 1 plus 6, 7, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 in hand, 0 is down, 1 plus 6, 7. So actual product is 70,731. Okay ma? So which is close to 72,000 and close to, and this product is close to 72,000. Okay. Note down in your classwork neatly, children. This is comma Nana. 72 I will write neatly. 72,000. Okay. Now exercise 3D. So exercise 3D, solve the following word problems. Is it clear to you children? Just estimate the numbers and find the product. 813 is rounded off to 800. Why? Because the digit in the tens place is less than 5. So it is rounded to the less than 100. That means 800 only. And 87. So to round up this number to the nearest to 10, see the digit in the tens ones place. It is greater than 5. So this number is rounded off to 90. That means next greater multiple. Round off the number to the multiple of 10, just greater than the number to be estimated. Okay. Now classwork. Exercise 3D. Keep neatly in fresh space. Exercise 3D. Exercise 3D. Solve the following word problems. First one, 1 week. Write neatly in your classwork, Nana. 1 week is equal to 7 days. How many days? How many days are there in 5 weeks? This is the question. So here which operation we use in Nana? See, one item is given and we have to find out the more items. Okay. So in these cases we do multiplication. Already I explained to you. Come on, tell me Nana, 1 week. How many days? 7 days. Now how many days are there in 5 weeks? So number of days in 1 week. Number of days in 1 week equal to 7. So number of days in 5 weeks. Very, very easy problems. Five into 7, that equal to 35. So how many days are there in 5 weeks? Yes, 35 days. Note down in your classwork neatly. Next, B. Note down B question, Nana. One minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. How many seconds are there? How many seconds are there in 7 minutes? See children here. So what is given? 1 minute, and we know that very well. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now we have to find the how many seconds in 7 minutes. Okay, so number of seconds in 1 minute. $60. So now we have to find out 7 minutes. So number of seconds in 7 minutes equal to 60 into 7. So one item is given and we have to find number of items. That means 7 more items. 700, 7 6 are 42. So totally 420 seconds are there in 7 minutes. How many seconds? 420 seconds are there in 7 minutes. Okay ma? Yes, number of seconds in 1 minute equal to 60. Number of seconds in 7 minutes equal to 60 into 7. Here we use it that mathematical operation is multiplication, Nana. Okay. Write neatly in your classwork. Next, just pause the video and write neatly, Nana, if you are not complete in time. See ma, see. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. How many seconds are there in 4 hours? So 1 hour is equal to 3600, Nana. 1 hour, so number of seconds, 1 hour 3600 seconds. So number of seconds in 1 hour. So So number of seconds in 4 hours. So 3600 into 4. 400, 400, 4 6 are 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Okay. So 14,400 seconds, Nana. How many seconds are there in 4 hours? 14,400. Okay. Note down in your classwork, ma. Number of seconds in 1 hour and number of seconds in 4 hours. Last problem to this class, Nana. So what's the last problem? Yes, D problem. If one shirt cost one shirt cost 450 rupees, what will be the cost of one 126 shirts? Write down, Nana, what is given in the problem? One shirt cost is given. Now we have to find out 126 shirts. Okay. So in this case also we do multiplication, Nana. So come on, tell me the steps. Yes, cost of one shirt equal to 450 and cost of 126 shirts equal to 450 into 126. Okay, we will do this multiplication side. 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication, Nana. First multiply 6, 0s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 3 in hand, 3 0 is down, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. Next, close the ones place and start at the tens place digit. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10, 1 in hand, 0 is down. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now close the ones place, tens place. Multiply by hundreds place. 1 0 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Now add 0, 0, 7, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. 1 in hand, 6 is down. 1 plus 4, 5. So 56,700 rupees, Nana. So rupee symbol always you have to keep to the left side of the amount. Okay, ma? But while reading we have to say 56,700 rupees. But when you are writing you should keep the rupee symbol before to the number. Okay, ma? Before to the cost. 56,700. So cost of one shirt 450 rupees. And the cost of 126 shirts equal to 450 into 126. The amount is 56,700 rupees. So my dear children, I hope you understand the today's class, Nana. So you have to practice all these word problems in the rough book, ma. Okay, and learn tables also. Okay, ma. Bye children, take care of yourself.